Boom. Direct hit. He faces down the stung suspect.
Calm down, calm down.
What have you done that for?
Stung your bike.
Why?
Because we're having loads of reports of everyone chatting around a bike.
It's illegal.
You might be
And I
legal.
was riding perfectly
Right?
normal.
Bring your mates and tell them to get out of town because we're just going to keep doing this all night.
Why are you riding with them then?
Completely different group of lads.
Mate, I'm not. Don't treat me like one. You ride around in a group of that's in town on quads and motorbikes, going through red lights and being antisocial. This is what's going to happen. End of chat. End of chat.
This rider was at the light when another rider came in at high speed, going right into the back of the truck.
Oh no.
And it turns out that he actually had a seizure right before, but he's definitely lucky to be okay.
Are you okay? Bro, it's not right.
Alright, that's right, chill, relax.
What are you doing?
Relax. Put your head up, mate. Leo, put his head up. Alright, we're gonna pull you over to the pavement, mate, it's fine.
Hey, bro, you're watching this. That's fine. No, listen. Why am I in cuffs? It's my bike. That's fine. It's my bike. I've got a camera on my face. You think if I stole it, I'm gonna be recording myself? What about asking my name first? Did I try to get away? Did I try to get away? No, man.
You're not going anywhere. You're going to be searched for everything. Listen. There's a helicopter above us,
yeah,
and they've witnessed you riding like a complete idiot. Now, that's what they're telling me, okay? And I believe them over what you're telling me. You've got a full balaclava up, and we're in an area that's a hotspot for crime. You don't look right, and you're not riding right, so that's why you've been stopped, and that's why you're going to be searched as well, okay?
Edwards was on patrol in an unmarked police vehicle when Wilkins passed him on a solid line. This is the moment the pursuit begins. Wilkins appears to double down. He hits the gas and disappears for a moment behind another truck. Biker's forced to slow down a bit as he approaches an intersection. Edwards comes to a stop as well, but not before knocking the biker to the ground. This is where the officer's adrenaline may have played too big of a role and landed the officer on the defendant's side of the courtroom. Edwards gets out of the patrol car, draws his weapon, and kicks Wilkins in the chest before putting the wild biker in cuffs. Wilkins suffered a broken clavicle and fractured rib, but hopefully the $180,000 from the excessive use of force claim has him feeling better.
Hey! Get your hands off of her! Get the f away from me! I have my daughter! You get the f away from me! Back the f off of my daughter! Right now! Get in the f***ing car! Get in the f***ing car! You're on camera, bro. I'll take this to the cops. Don't keep walking up to me. Stop walking up to me. Babe, go. Get her out of here. Right now. I love you, bub. Don't worry, I'm going to the cops. I got you. I got your license plate, mother... I am sorry that I scared you.
You didn't scare me, you scared me.
Okay. I'm sorry that I put you in that situation. Okay? Look at me. I will not stand there and watch a man put his hands on a woman. Okay. I'm sorry I put you in that position, Bug.
That's fine. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you.